What up guys, Eric here from RacingRamFam, and today we're going to be reorganizing this mess of a garage that I have. We have a bunch of new tools that I got, some bigger tools like this bandsaw right over here. I have a big sander that I got now. I'm going to move this toolbox, I'm going to be moving some benches, and I'm going to be moving the drill press, the press. I got to find room for everything because I am running out of working area to even work on stuff. SRT 10's over here just chilling. We'll get right back to working on that pretty soon. Be putting a battery relocation kit into it and a full fuel system with a fuel cell, so stay tuned for that. But today we are going to be reorganizing my garage. Alright guys, we got some stuff moved around. We got the toolbox over here now. The bench just scooted down that way a little bit more. We got the bench over here, the press, the drill press, the bench grinder, and then the big new sander. And then this guy right here, the bandsaw, will be going up there. So before we do that though, we're going to cut this giant piece of 1/4" metal to go on top of that. And then on this side, we're going to go underneath the legs to make these level with this piece of wood right here, so I can put my big transmission tray on there, or engine table, or whatever you want to call it. Big metal table that you can clean really easy, and then that's going to go from this box to that table. So we're going to get working on that now. Alright guys, so I think we're going to call that video. We got the transmission table on here, we got the toolbox over here, we got the table heightened, we got the big chunk of 1/4 inch cut. I need a plasma cutter. We got the vise mounted. I think I'm going to move all this stuff over here and move the table over here, but that'll have to be for a different day because I need to take a shower and get ready to go. But thank you guys for watching. A little bit different video than what I usually post, but I think it was just as good. So guys, as always, keep it boosting. We'll see you guys next time.